How to make a video on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, tap on Create Story as shown. Go to the top right corner and tap on the camera icon. This is the camera screen of Facebook. Tap and hold the capture button to take a video. You can now edit the video using the edit options on the right. Tap on the sound icon to add music to this video. After you're done editing, tap on the share button below. You have now successfully shared this video as your story. You can repeat the same steps to create more videos on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily make a video on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.